With 4th of July just around the corner, I started thinking about what are we going to wear for the event? You know, whether you're going to a parade or the fireworks or a barbecue or just hanging out at your house. If you're like me, you kind of like to dress up for the occasion. And so I start just ransacking the house looking for anything and everything that is red, white, or blue. And I look not only for myself, but also for the kids as well. So I will start with just a couple things that I do. So I usually don't go out and buy something specific or separate just for the 4th of July. I mean, we're typically going to the fireworks or a barbecue and hanging out around the house. So what I do is put on a red lip, which I typically never do. So it is kind of an occasion, I guess, for me when I do that. The one that I'm wearing right now, it is by, not sure how you pronounce this, maybe Japanesque. So you can catch that. And then another thing you can do, again, hopefully laying around your house, is red nail polish. So right now I have purple on, but that's really just because I just got my nails done, and so I didn't put the red on yet, but I will. So this is Revlon Red, and if you don't have Revlon Red, you need to get it. It's great. So what I plan on wearing this year for the 4th of July, I got my white tank top, I got my red lipstick, I got my little pearl earrings, and then I was kind of searching around and found this thing in my closet, and it's actually not like it's kind of like a robe or a shrug, but it's from Walmart, and I think it's a beach cover-up, kind of like a swimsuit cover-up. So I just sort of put this thing on, and then if it's sunny out, always want to have my sun protection, so I will put my hat on. I just go like that, and I'm ready. And it's things that I already had around the house. So a red lip, red nails, white tank with a kind of a beachy cover up, and a hat. And I think this hat, I either got it at Target or Walmart. I've had it for a couple years. Wherever I got it from, I know it was super cheap, and it was just sort of one of those weird impulse purchases. I know J. Crew also has a hat that's very similar to this. It might be called the Panama hat. This one I like because it's got sort of the little, I think that's blue. It's got the blue kind of band up there, so it's festive and fun. One other thing you can do, if you don't have a shirt that looks like the 4th of July, or a hat, or maybe hats aren't your thing, I like to use a bandana. This, I honestly think I got it at a truck stop or a gas station somewhere when we were on vacation, and we stopped and I thought, ooh, this is fun, let's get that. So it's just a red, white, and blue bandana, and you can just tie it around your neck. This is really cute. If I could figure out how I'm tying this here. There we go. There we go. All right. So a really cute little bandana. Wear it with or without the shrug. And you're festive. Another way that you can use the bandana, very similar to the way I would say Jessie James Decker. I love her videos and her style. She wears her bandana up like this in her hair. And this too is super, super cute. And you just sort of either leave the little bunny tails out like that, or you can tuck the bunny tails in if you want to, so that they're not sticking out. It's really whatever you want to do, but oh, that is cute. All right, and another thing that of course I like to do is not only be festive myself, but also dress the kids up very festive as well. So for the little man, for Isaac, we've got something that Grandma brought over for him, and it's not 4th of July specific, but it is red, so it'll work. So this is going to be his outfit. And then for Vivian, again, it's not super 4th of July specific. Well, actually, maybe this one is. It's close. This is from Target, and it's part of the Cat and Jack line. And it is the cutest little dress. Look at this thing. And it is blue with stars on it and this cute little red piping detail. So she's going to be rocking this, and she's going to look great Another option though, I don't know, or if she messes something up on the dress, we have got this thing. This is also from Target, Cat and Jack. The shorts that come with it, they're actually green, and I think it's because it's got watermelons on it, so it's a little sort of tunic kind of sundress for her. But the watermelons are red, and to me, something about red, white, and blue and watermelons just feels like the 4th of July, so she may wear this too. I don't know. It comes with little shorts, but she will look festive. And then we have got Isla, who has sort of picked out what she might wear. Come on over. Here, we'll put this. All right. So Isla is sporting her cheer camp t-shirt that she got when she went to cheer camp this year. She's got a little denim skirt on. Can't really see it here, but denim works for 4th of July, works for Memorial Day. Denim works for everything. So she's got a denim skirt on, just one of her cute little t-shirts that she had at cheer camp. And then these are also from Cat and Jack. And I think, did Grandma get you those too?
Yeah.
She did? Are they comfy?
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
She got them in a box that came in the mail to us. It was for me and my little sister Vivian, and I opened it while she was at daycare, and I found these, and I was like, I'm definitely putting these on.
Yep. They look great. And she even has, so these are Isla's little, it's a headband. Can you take it off for a second so we can show? So it is a headband with little kind of like pom-poms on it. And Grandma got one of these for Isla, and she also got a matching one for Vivi. So Vivi will probably wear it with her little dress. So it's cute. And you can wear it, like I said, we didn't go out and get anything super special or different, I would say. We don't have any sort of clothes that say 4th of July on them, but we were able to find cute shirt and some denim and some colors that we already had in our wardrobe that really seemed to fit for the 4th of July, and then kind of zhuzh it up a little bit with some extra little accessories that maybe we wouldn't necessarily wear for other days throughout the year. Or maybe we would.
And I like about the headband is because these pom-poms also look like fireworks in the sky, like blasting. And I really like them because they have one of my favorite colors, red, because it's closest to pink. And pink is my favorite color.
I love it. That's great. They do kind of look like fireworks. That's very creative. One other thing, so depending on where you live, it might be cold, it might be rainy on the 4th of July. You never know. So what we also did was we dug around in Isla's closet and kind of looked for things that she might be able to wear if it's cold. So we found, of course,
a jean jacket.
A jean jacket, her denim jacket. You want to put that on? So if it's cold, she's got her denim jacket, and she still looks festive and fun. We've got our 4th of July stuff going on.
And I also have one of my first toys I once got when I was born. My dad gave it to my mom when they got married. It's a red teddy bear. His name's Teddy, and he has lots of holes, like one's under his arm. And I have to sleep with him every single night or I can't sleep.
He's a good teddy.
Yeah.
And he's festive too. He comes festive for the 4th of July.
Yay!
Well, that's what we're wearing for the 4th of July. Like I said, just sort of digging around things that we had in the house already and added a couple extra pieces, throw on a red lip and bust out your red nail polish, and there you go. Good to go, right?
Yeah.
All right. Well, that's it.
Bye-bye.